Welcome to Breakout EDU's game, Pizza Pizza Palace. This game addresses the 8th grade mathematics standard of using functions to model relationships between quantities. You just took over Pete's Pizza Palace after Pete, the founder and longtime owner, finally decided to retire. Unfortunately, Pete was a bit forgetful, and he can't remember the combinations to the safe that holds the sauce and dough recipes. He also wasn't the best at keeping good records, sometimes even keeping his records on napkins. However, he did leave clues to the combinations scattered in his records. Follow the clues so you can open the safe and keep Pete's Pizza Palace open for all its loyal customers. To begin the game, students will be divided into 4 groups. They will see the large breakout box with 4 locks on it. Each group will also be given a napkin that has notes on it from Pete and a table display. The table display will provide students with a clue that they need to find the expense equation, which can be calculated from the information on the napkin. Students will also need to find the PPP profit graph, which has been hidden somewhere in the room. Once they find this, they will need to find the profit equation as well. Students will need to use both equations together to solve their puzzle that the table display provided. Each group will find the combination that will open one of the 4 locks on the final breakout box. For the game, you will need to print out 4 copies of the PPP profit graph and hide these in an easy location somewhere in the classroom. You will also need to print 1 copy each of the PPP table display groups 1 and 2 and the PPP table display groups 3 and 4. Cut the pages along the solid line. Then fold the pages along the dashed lines. Tape the bottom tabs together so the displays will stand on their own. Get 4 napkins. Using the PPP napkin info document, write the notes from Pete on each group's napkin. This picture is an example of the napkin for group 1. Group the napkins and table displays together and set out these pairs of items for each group. Make sure you group the correct napkin and table display together. Place the success signs and reflection cards in the large breakout box. Then place the hasp on the box. Place these 4 locks on the hasp. The 3-digit lock with combination 232, the 4-digit lock, combination 2772, the 5-digit multi-lock, combination 94068, and the 5-color multi-lock with combination yellow, red, orange, green, blue. That is everything you need for this game. Good luck and enjoy playing Pizza Pizza Palace!